Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize emails with Brevo Dynamic Content. Brevo lets you add dynamic personalization to your emails so that you can address your subscribers by name, show tailored information, and make your messages feel more personal and engaging. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create an email campaign in Brevo and personalize it using dynamic content to connect better with your audience. But before we get started, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link we've put down in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. So let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left menu and click on the Marketing tab. This will expand into several options. From those options, select Campaign and click it to proceed. At the top right corner of the campaigns page, click on the Create Campaign button. A pop-up window will appear with 4 campaign types: email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. For this tutorial, we'll choose email, so click on that. Next, under the Regular tab, enter a name for your campaign. Once you've named it, click on the Create Campaign button at the bottom to continue. Now, on the next page, you'll set up the campaign details. First, click on the Manage Sender button next to the Sender section and fill in your sender name and email address. Make sure the information is accurate so that recipients can easily recognize who the email is coming from. After that, click on Add Recipients next to the Recipients section and choose which list or contacts you want to send your email to. Now, move to the subject line field. Enter a catchy subject that grabs attention and optionally write a short text, to give readers a quick idea of what the email is about. Once you're done, click on the Save button. Next, click on the Start Designing button to begin creating your email. A pop-up window will also appear here with 2 options: create from scratch or use a template. For this tutorial, we'll choose a ready-made template. On the left side of the window, select Ready to Use, and then choose the first template available. Click on the Use Template button to proceed. You'll now be taken to the Brevo email editor, where you can customize the design according to your needs. You can modify the logo, text, images, and colors to match your brand. Once your design is complete, click on the Save and Quit button at the top right corner to continue. Now, let's get to the main part of this tutorial: personalizing your email with Brevo's dynamic content. On the campaign setup page, scroll to the personalization section on the right side. Check the box next to Personalize the Send To field. This feature lets you display the recipient's name along with their email address, which makes your email appear more professional and personal. In the Enter Personalization field below, type the personalization variable that you want to use. For example, if you want to display the recipient's first name, enter what you see right here on your screen. Now, this will show the person's first name, like John, instead of their email address. If you want to display their full name, use this code right here that you see on the screen. And in that case, when your email is received, it will appear as John Smith instead of just john@email.com. Now, this simple touch adds a personal element that helps your emails feel customized for each recipient, improving open and engagement rates. After completing the personalization setup, scroll down to the Sending and Tracking section. Here, you can customize your reply to address, enable Google Analytics tracking, attach files, add tags for better optimization, and even set expiration dates for your campaign if you would like. Next, go to the subscription section. This area will allow you to use a custom unsubscribe page or your own subscription update form, giving your subscribers a more branded experience when managing their preferences. And lastly, under the design section, you can adjust details such as the email header, footer, or include a view in browser link. This feature ensures that recipients can view your email properly, even if their email client doesn't load certain elements. Once you've reviewed everything and you are satisfied with your settings, click on the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Your personalized email campaign is now ready to send. Every recipient will receive a version of the email that includes their name and other dynamic content that you've configured, making your message feel more human and relevant. Whew, that was a lot of information. That is how you can personalize emails with Brevo dynamic content. You've learned how to create a campaign, use templates, and add personalization variables to make your messages more engaging. And if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to grab 50% off of Brevo's starter and business plans for 3 months using the link we put in the description. Plus, you'll get my full Brevo course to help you become a pro even faster. Don't forget, if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.